If you have a Dyson Airwrap, this is your reminder to clean your filter. If you haven't cleaned it, or had no idea you need to clean it, you absolutely do. Otherwise, it's not going to work as it should. Let me show you how to clean it. Hold the handle of your appliance firmly and gently rotate the filter cage anti-clockwise. Pull down and away from the appliance. Wash the filter cage under a warm running tap. Leave the filter cage to soak in warm soapy water for 30 minutes. Shake the filter cage to remove the majority of the excess water, then leave to dry well naturally. Slide the filter cleaning brush onto the filter mesh. Using an up and down motion, clean the filter with the filter cleaning brush until all the debris has been removed. Warning: do not use water to clean the filter. Rotate the filter cage back into position, ensuring the correct alignment. Warning: rotate clockwise to lock before use.